So in this Kayak.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to book a motel here on Kayak.com. So once you open up Kayak.com, I want you to go ahead here and press on stays. Make sure that stays is selected. Then type in a city. So I'm going to go ahead here and just type in Vegas as an example. Las Vegas, Nevada. Go ahead and select your dates. And if all looks good, proceed by pressing on the orange search icon. So once you're here, you're going to be viewing a bunch of different hotels that are being offered. Now, if you want to change it up to a motel, it's very specific. I want you to go to the top here to where it says type of stay. So in between review score and location, press on type of stay. It'll say hotels, rentals, unique stays, etc. I want you to go ahead and press on show more. Now where it says hotels right here, I want you to uncheck that. I want you to scroll down to where it says motel just like this. I also want you to select rentals, turn that off, unique stays, turn that off, turn all of that off. Go ahead and press on motor or motel right here, then press on apply. Now what you're going to be seeing is a bunch of different refined searches to a variety of different motels. So there's a bunch of different motels here. You can also see what websites are offering different prices. And if all looks good, you can go ahead and book through it that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to book a motel on kayak.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.